everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see the solution of chapter number 2. Let's continue with the section B, question number 7. Explain crystallization method is a better technique than evaporation. Answer: due to following reasons. Number 1. The process used to separate pure solid substance from the solution in the form of crystals is called crystallization. Number 2. The purity obtained by crystallization is better than obtained by evaporation. Next, number 8. Write the applications of crystallization. Answer: applications of crystallization are: number 1. To purify salt obtained from seawater. Number 2. To separate crystals of solids from impure samples. Next, number 9. Classify each of the following as homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture: soda water, wood, air, soil, vinegar, filtered tea. Homogeneous mixture: soda water, air, vinegar, filtered tea. Next, heterogeneous mixture: wood and soil. Next, number 10. Define. Number 1. Suspension. Answer: it is a heterogeneous mixture. The solute particles are big enough and can be seen with an unaided eye. Number 2. Metalloids. Elements which have properties between the metals and non-metals are known as metalloids. Next, number 11. Distinguish between the following in 4 points. So first of all, I will say all the 4 points of compound. Number 1. All compounds have fixed proportion by weight. Number 2. Components cannot be separated by physical methods. Number 3. Properties of the compound are different from the original properties of its components. Number 4. There is an exchange of energy during the formation of compounds. Next, mixture. Point number 1. The components are not in fixed ratio of their weights. Number 2. Components can be separated by simple physical methods. Point number 3. Components retain their original properties. Point number 4. There is no exchange of energy during formation of mixture. Next, section C. Answer the following questions point-wise within the limit of 60 to 80 words as directed. Number 1. State the properties of colloid solution. Any 5. Answer. Number 1. It is a heterogeneous mixture. Number 2. The size of particles is too small to be seen by an unaided eye. Number 3. The particles of colloid scatter a beam of light. Number 4. The particles do not settle down when left undisturbed. Number 5. So it is stable. Next, number 2. Write a note on fractional distillation. Diagram is not required. So this answer I have attached over here. Fractional distillation process is used to separate 2 or more miscible liquids for which the difference in boiling point is less than 25 Kelvin. A simple fractionating column is a tube packed with glass beads. The beads provide the surface for the vapor to cool and condense repeatedly. The diagram is given below, but the diagram is not asked. Different type of fractionating columns. Fractionating columns are glass columns and are available in various shapes and designs. Now let's see the next question. Number 3. Write the steps you would use for making tea. Use the words solution, solvent, solute, dissolve, soluble, insoluble, filtrate, and residue. So, answer of this question is here. Answer number 1. Take a cup of water as solvent in a kettle and heat it. Number 2. Add sugar, the solute, to water, heat it. The sugar dissolves in water. Number 3. Sugar is soluble in water. Number 4. Add some tea leaves. It is insoluble in water. Color of tea leaves goes into the solution. Number 5. Boil the content and add milk, which is soluble in water. Point number 6. Filter the tea with the help of a strainer. The tea collected in the cup is a filtrate. Number 7. The tea leaves collected on the strainer is residue. Next, number 4. Give geographical representation of classification of matter based on its physical and chemical nature. So, answer of this question is over here. Matter is classified into two sections, pure matter, impure matter. Then pure matter is again divided into two sections, elements, compounds. Now elements are further divided into metals, non-metals, semi-metals. Metals are ductile, good conductor, malleable. Examples are given. Then non-metals, not ductile, poor conductor, non-malleable. Examples are given for non-metals. Then semi-metals, intermediate properties of metal and non-metal. Examples are given for the same. Next, impure matter are divided into two categories, homogeneous and heterogeneous. So homogeneous, uniform composition. Examples, sugar plus water, water plus alcohol. Next, heterogeneous, non-uniform composition. Examples, sugar plus sand, water plus oil. So question number 4 is done. Next, question number 5. Draw a flow diagram for obtaining different gases from air. So answer, the air, then the air is compressed by increasing pressure and decreasing temperature. Then liquid gas, then allowed to warm up slowly in a fractional distillation column. Next, different gases are separated at different heights and temperature. Next, minus 190 degrees Celsius nitrogen, first product, minus 186 degrees Celsius argon, second product, minus 183 degrees Celsius oxygen, third product. Now let's see section D. Answer the following questions in detail within the limit of 90 to 120 words as directed, 4 marks each. Number 1. State the 4 properties each for metallic and non-metallic elements. First, let's see metals. Number 1. They are ductile. Number 2. They are good conductor of heat and electricity. Number 3. They are malleable. Fourth, they are found mostly in solid state except mercury, which is in liquid state. Now B, non-metals. Number 1, they are brittle. Number 2, they are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Number 3, they are non-malleable. Number 4, they are found in solid, liquid and gaseous state. Next, number 2, write a note on Tyndall effect. Answer, take copper sulfate solution, true solution, in one beaker and colloidal solution in the other beaker. Place the beaker in dark room and allow the beam of light to pass through the beakers. The beam of light after passing through the colloidal solution gets scattered and becomes visible. This is called the Tyndall effect. So here we complete this chapter. If you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with a new chapter. Till then, bye bye. Take care.